Hello everyone. In the previous video, we had a quick overview of Power BI Desktop and how to create a report using Power BI Desktop. In this video, we will upload the same report into the cloud service and view that report. So those of you who've not had a look at the previous video, I recommend that you go and check that out. So this is the second video in the series. And I've got my report here in open in Power BI Desktop. And on the home tab, I will go and click on the publish button. So I'll click that and it will ask me where I want to publish the file. So I will just say on my workspace. So it is just giving me that I had previously uploaded that file, and it's letting me know that once I upload this file, that file will get replaced. So I'm okay with that. And now it's giving me the link. So I'll click on that link to view my Power BI report. And you can see on my workspaces, it's opened that report for me. So what I need to do is go to my workspace and go to reports. And that report has been published onto the Power BI service. So I can open it from here. And I can also share it with other people in my organization from here. So it's saying upgrade to Power BI Pro. I'll cancel this for now. And then, you can share stuff. So I've got a couple of visuals which I would like to pin onto a dashboard. So I'll create a quick dashboard out of this. So I like this visual, and I will just pin this. And I'll just call it and it will pin it there. So let's just go and have a look. So I'll go to my workspace, and then you can see dashboard. It's showing us first dashboard, and it's got just that visual that we pinned. So we'll just go back to my workspace, go on to reports and open this again. And I will also pin this one, and I will pin it to the first dashboard. And I can go back to my workspace and open the first dashboard again. And you can see it has got both these visuals pinned in my on my dashboard. So I can combine visuals from multiple reports in this dashboard. And I can also ask a question and look at using English language just to query the data. So you could say, so it's giving me the option, and I can say population by, and it's already started building stuff for me. So it's already, what it is doing is behind the scene, it is exploring the data set and building the reports for us. So this was a quick overview of the Power BI dashboard, where we published our first report onto the Power BI service, and we created our first dashboard. We also explored our report in the Power BI service from my workspace. So I hope you find this video useful, and this is just an overview. We will, as we go along on our journey, we will explore other things. I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you enjoy what I'm doing. Thank you.